Today is a really special day for us at Highclere Castle Cigars. We launched the cigar in the United States about a year ago, and the success and reception was beyond even what we imagined when we first came up with this concept. And it was really important to us from the beginning to get the cigar into the United Kingdom as soon as possible, because in a sense it's really like the cigar is coming home.
There's a great history of Highclere and cigars, because in my great-grandfather's time, there would have been lots of meetings here with important men of the time. My great-grandfather, famous for his work in Egypt, he would have also been with the men of technology of the time, with the cars, photography, the explorers like Howard Carter. There would have been cigars smoked in the library and the smoking room. So tobacco was a well-known, enjoyable pastime at Highclere.
To be able to bring it back to Highclere, to be able to welcome and invite many of the leading cigar shop owners and lounge managers in the country to come here and join us on a special day like this, to have a nice lunch, to learn about the cigar, to be able to appreciate the hospitality of Lord and Lady Carnarvon, and ultimately step outside on the lawn and enjoy a cigar together with a nice scotch. You can't beat it.
The Highclere Castle cigar is produced under my watchful eyes in Estelí, Nicaragua. It uses some of the finest tobaccos in the world. Flavor of Highclere Castle cigar, very elegant, smooth, creamy. There's some nice citrus notes. We say a little bit of that fireplace aroma, that great aroma you get around a fireplace. It's very complex and smooth. So it appeals to newer smoker or the connoisseur. So it's a truly elegant blend.
The new Highclere Castle cigar has been a great success in the United States and very much enjoyed by people all around the US. And we're now bringing it into the UK so that people here over in England and up in Scotland, Wales, can really have a gloriously mellow smoke with their friends and just think about the long history of Highclere Castle and everything that's associated with it in terms of quality, fine living and enjoyment of life.